YouTube fam, what is popping with y'all, man? So today we got something special for you guys, right? Recently I was on Instagram and I got hit up by a representative for a company called Behind the Chair. You might be familiar with them. They're a hair company that, you know, promote everything hair from different hairstylists, barbers, hair brands. And a representative hit me up and they offered me with a code that I could use to get my own custom FX set for free, right? And usually when I get messages like that, you know, they look really scammy, and I'm like, bro, there's no way this is true. But I sat on it a couple days and I went and opened it again. I said, man, this might really be legit. So I went on the website and I plugged in the promotional code that they gave me after I edited my custom FX, and sure enough, the total went from like $632 to $0. And I was like, bro, there's no way. So shout out to Behind the Chair for blessing me with my own set of custom FX, which I'm about to show you guys. And they recently came in the mail in this super dope box from Behind the Chair and BaByliss. And I'm super excited to open these up and show you exactly how they look. So let's get into it. So what I'm really not gonna do is sit here and act like I didn't already open this box, because if you're a barber, you know when you get something new, you tend to want to open it and turn it on right away, and that's exactly what I did. But when I opened this, just know that there was a nice presentation of black confetti with the clippers in the box and all that jazz, right? I do have the clippers for you. These are it. Super nice, super clean. As you can see, they come with the they come with the gray grips on them, which I like a lot more than the original BaByliss clipper and trimmer. It gives it a lot more grip and gives me confidence that, you know, when I'm going crazy, getting cuts in and out, that you know, I'm less likely to drop these. And I also got a super dope charging base. I could have matched this with my BaByliss's, but I didn't want to, right? Because I have multiple colors of my BaByliss trimmer and clipper, so I want to make sure that it fits both. And I also got a shaver as well, the nice silver shaver, which I did have before. And I was gonna get an extravagant color with my shaver, but I didn't. I went with something that kind of matched everything. And these are the box it comes in, man. A super nice white clean box, man. That's one thing BaByliss does, is they give out quality stuff. You know, it's tin. And as you can tell right here, I said it before, whoever made this was definitely Hispanic, because they put Andres instead of Andre. And if you know Hispanics, they always add a S to the end of stuff. They also sent me cool clipper sleeves, which is kind of like a traveling case so I can slide them in when I do house calls or take them in and out of the shop. They also sent over some clipper grips that you put around the trimmer and clipper. And they also sent colorful hair grips as well, man. Shout out to BaByliss and Behind the Chair for blessing me with these tools, man. So as you can see, man, they're super nice clippers. They have a really nice presentation. And if you've been cutting for a while, you already know that these clippers have proven themselves. I can't do more validating of these clippers than they already have. The trimmers are arguably the best trimmers ever created in the barber industry, and as well as the clippers, I wouldn't say the best, but definitely top 5. I've done a review on the gold version of these, which operate almost the same, but obviously they come with the rubber grips on them. So if you're looking to get a new clipper and trimmer, I will undoubtedly point you in the direction of BaByliss tools. It don't even have to be these, it can be any of them. Definitely one of the best clipper companies in the industry. So if you're wondering how to create your own custom FX with your own colorway, your own color grips, your own blades, I'm gonna tell you how to do that, man. All you have to do is download their app. Yes, I will say it again, they have an app that you can download, and it'll give you a blank clipper, all white, and then you can add and change them to whatever color you want them to be. So if you just download the BaByliss Custom FX app, you can do it all on there. And unfortunately, I obviously don't have the code for you where I could give it to you for free. But what I want you to do is view every time you purchase a tool as an investment, right? Yes, these tools aren't cheap, but at the same time, they're gonna make you money, right? Because they'll allow you to do haircuts efficiently, and help you quality-wise as well. So if you're looking to customize your own, download the BaByliss Custom FX app, where you can go ahead and customize your own. But yeah, fam, this is my custom FX kit. If you want to get yours, I already told you how to do so. Listen, I appreciate you for watching this video. All right, so if you like these clippers and you want a pair of your own, make sure you leave a like and a comment. While you're at it, man, hit that subscribe button. But I'm gonna go ahead and get people right with these clippers. I will catch you guys next time. Peace.